Welcome down to Chessington World of Adventures here on UK Theme Park. We have more supports and we have track. This is our World of Jumanji update. Strap yourself in, it's getting exciting. Of course, the BMN track is now on site and 90% of the supports are in. They now tower over the fence here and we'll get you some shots of what's going on down the bottom. there we have it. That is our World of Jumanji update here from Chessington World of Adventures. It's an exciting one. Look at the supports everywhere, and of course you've seen some of the track as well. The track has the launch section on it. It's still not quite sure on sort of the layout at the back end of the station, but we have shown you it. What do you think? What do you think? I'll tell you something, bearing in mind it's flat here, look at the steep, you know, it's really easy now to see. It kind of coming along and it's straight up and round into the twist and round to the other side. All these little ones have been put in the middle as well. It just looks brilliant. It genuinely looks brilliant. You can understand now why they got the Jaguar sculpture done early, because of all the supports that have gone around it, particularly around the back end. When you've seen that, there are loads there. I cannot wait for this coaster to open, or indeed the area to open next year with 2 brand new rides. What do you think? What do you think? Let us know in the comments below. My name's Adam, this has been UK Theme Parks, and we'll see you next time.